Hi everyone, now we are gonna unbox this huge box. So let's start. Okay, okay. So here we open. So that's all. Inside we have a box. It's like almost unique way of packing. Actually, mostly I don't receive like this box packing. Okay. Ta-da, ta-da. All you can see is few 1 rupee notes. Actually, these are open bundles, half bundles. Like they are already open, and I got it for a best price. Okay, so here's the another packet. So inside the box, I hope that's all. Yeah, that's all inside. Box might be useful for reuse. Okay, and here we have the bundles itself. These are all open bundles, so let's open. And inside we have this the first bundle I wanted to share with you all is this. You can see the signature Manmohan Singh 1 rupee. The year is of 19, you can see here 1977. So this is also a half bundle. The number starts from 37 and goes on still last. So let's quickly check other bundles. And here we have, you can see the here, sorry, I didn't notice the camera. And you can see here 1986. This is S Venkatraman signature, S Venkatraman. And this also a open bundle. So let's check others. And this again S Venkatraman's signature. The year is of 1987. You can see here 1987. So this also a open bundle. Okay, so let's check others. This is of, I'm sorry, this is of 1984. Pratap Kishan Kaul. You can see Pratap Kishan Kaul signature. This is also a open bundle, not a complete one. And here we have another S Venkatraman signature. The year is of 1985. Sorry, 1985 year. So in 1 rupees we have 5 bundles. Let's open the next one. Okay, actually in 5 rupee we have one more open bundle. Like this bundle, the year is 1987, you can see here. And this also S Venkatraman. So you can see another open bundle, so let it be there. And this one, this is something special. 1971, IG Patel. You can see the signature IG Patel. And this is like very few notes, but in good condition. So next, again we have like we already saw Manmohan Singh. So here again one more Manmohan Singh signature. The year you can see here is 1980. You can see clearly 1980. So this is another half bundle of Manmohan Singh. So let it be there. And we have next again 2 rupees. The 2 rupee bundle. You can see the signature R.N. Malhotra. You can see R.N. Malhotra. And in this series we don't have the year printed. So this is R.N. Malhotra signatures half bundle. And here what we have is I.G. Patel. You can see here I.G. Patel. Another like one more half bundle. So the next signature what we have in 2 rupees is R.N. Malhotra. Again R.N. Malhotra, but this is 2 rupees. So this is also in good condition. Okay, the last note might be some stains. Others are all good. And again next 5 rupees. 5 rupees, you can see the signature C. Rangarajan. Here's the signature C. Rangarajan. And this is also in a good condition, half open bundle. And next we have here is one more Manmohan Singh, but this is a 5 rupee note. Manmohan Singh 5 rupees. And again this is a half open bundle. So totally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total we have 13 open bundles. All will be for sale as a single notes. We don't want to move it as a bundle since it is opened. So each will be available single notes for sale sooner. Hit the like button.